One. Hi, everybody. This is Adam and Brendan, two of the learning design coaches, to recap day 3, where we talk about assessments. So one of the main questions that I always ask when thinking about assessment and feedback are, how do we know as teachers that students know, and how do students know that they know, whether it's a concept or a skill? And throughout today's conversations, we've seen so many teachers actually answering that question in a lot of different ways.
And one of the ways that I really appreciated seeing on my cohort's discussion forum was from a modern language class, where they're assigning students to be able to build a description of their schedule, their class schedule. Of course, they're starting the year, they have a new schedule, and so it's a great way to practice learning their new schedule by practicing it in this different language. And they are then paired with someone in class to discuss each other's schedules and maybe find commonalities, maybe find times they could meet up together. But it just practices those verbs and vocabulary associated with the topic. And I thought it was really wonderful to have this peer partnership in assessment. Another example was from a math class, where when showing work is so crucial to a student's growth, being able to record a video of it, and students just really like holding up their phone and recording as they do the math problem and write it out, sending it to the teacher for assessment, but then the teacher being able to build up the student's confidence in that format so that they can peer assess in the future. And then finally, this one more example from a teacher who is assessing seniors for their leadership abilities, and using a journaling format to do so. And online journaling is something that can be shared, and so he's planning on being able to make that peer assessment as well, but building it from a single point rubric where the outcomes are the qualities of leadership that they are assessing the seniors on.
That's great. And one thing that's come up in my cohorts a few times is teachers are actually using Edpuzzle as a way to embed questions within a video. So this is actually creating opportunities for two-way feedback. So students in the moment get a chance to figure out if they're on the right track, and then teachers have that data afterwards to see if there were any misconceptions along the way, or where questions might have popped up. So they were really utilizing that tool, but to solve a specific purpose of giving that instantaneous two-way feedback. So we still have time to think about assessment in the reflect and submit components of our course. There's still plenty of time to get in there and give and receive some feedback. And then tomorrow, our course focuses on navigating our online spaces. So we'll see you in there. Have a great one.